Hey guys, welcome back to Jack on Tracks. We're gonna do a little unboxing of my latest eBay purchase. You know, I think I negotiated a pretty fair price for this product. Packing was adequate. Ooh, look at the blue box. Everybody loves that blue box. How do you not? I had a whole, I had over 100 of these at one time. I don't know where they all went to. Somewhere on some layout somewhere, there's a lot of my trains. Look at that. Can we see that? A couple of pictures of that bad boy. Yeah, it's a Erie Lackawanna, or just Erie, offset hopper. The old trusty. I think now I have between Pennsylvania Railroad and I think Erie and Lehigh Valley. I think I have about 20 of these. That's all the parts in there, the weights. These kits are, listen, these aren't showpiece kits. You're not going to win an award for these things, but they do what they do. Take up space on the layout, look good in the train. Alright. I'd like to thank you guys for watching Jacks on Tracks. Come back for more, and as soon as I figure out the rules on on YouTube, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. My giveaway is going to be for when I reach 25 subscribers, and I'm going to continue to do giveaways at set points in the channel. And as the channel grows, my giveaways, I promise you, will get better. So, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't. And catch you later.